So joining with me is Mr. Ved Mane Tiwari, the CEO of NSDC. Tiwari ji, the first question that I want to understand is that what new initiatives on the part of Skill India and NSDC are we going to see to boost the adoption of drones in multiple functions in this country?
So, as I told the audience in the morning, that India is blessed that we have Prime Minister like Shri Narendra Modi ji, who thought the true potential that of this country that can be unleashed through drones. And I narrated my personal stories. The kind of regulatory changes that has happened in India, which have enabled a drone industry to take off, is perhaps the most revolutionary in the world, and we are seeing the results of that these revolutions so fast that now drone didi program is actually taking drone flying to our mothers and sisters and daughters in rural areas who will be able to change their lives. I think drone or any aviation technology is considered to be extremely sophisticated, but this is the true power of this nation, that now everybody is trying to become a drone pilot.
So, as you rightly said about Drone Didi, I want to understand what is the success rate of this program and what are the initiatives like under this program are we going to see soon?
One good thing is that the Ministry of Civil Aviation is opening up a lot of RPTOs. As we all know that flying objects have to be regulated, and RPTOs, there are more than 40 RPTOs in this country, and more than 10,000 drone pilots have already been trained. This number is going to increase dramatically in times to come, and every aspect of business, whether it's a construction industry or a healthcare industry or a project development industry, everywhere you will see that the drone technology is taking off.
So, one last question that I have is that about the employment generation of these people who are getting trained. What is the efforts by the government and the other bodies of the government that's under?
So there's employment potential is huge. We are now getting a lot of drone companies who come forward to us. They have orders in their hand because every department of the government is using drone. Whether it's a Swamitva program, which is doing the survey of the agriculture land, or drone Didi program, or massive opportunities are already there. Uh, but more than that, I personally believe that every drone is a enterprise in itself, and the entrepreneurial energy that country will be able to unleash through drones is going, just like tractors or mechanized agriculture opened up new earning opportunities for our farmers in rural areas. These drones are going to be the next tractors or mechanized equipment for Indian agriculture. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So that was Ved Mane Tiwari, CEO of National Skill Development Corporation. As he rightly mentioned that India has a massive potential in drones, and let's see how this country paces towards the goals that the government has set for India. So joining with me is Mr. Deep Sasai, who is the co-founder and MD of AVPL International. Welcome to Business Today TV. And the first question that I would like to know is that I can see a drone over here, which of course your staff said that is DGCS certified. So can you please explain the process of, what are the courses that you're providing for the drone pilot training, and what is the certification process that you have gone through? Just a bit about the operations.
Thank you, ma'am. We at AVPL, we are focused on agriculture drones. And the difference between drone training and agriculture drone flying is that we do provide drone training on a 3 kg drones. The training drone is almost entirely different. It's just like similar if you are going to a driving training institute, you are doing your driving school training on some any car, and then suddenly you taken the Mercedes Benz, automatic one. The difference is huge. The person who's just passed out his pilot license or driving license, he can't drive from day one as a super luxury car. The same difference is here. In when we do drone training, training drone is different. Whereas the features of this drone, the pesticide, spraying, yeah, seed spreading, is entirely different, which are not part of their training. So we at AVPL, we are doing training of 270 hours in association with NSDC, National Skill Development Corporation, where we do provide training first, drone pilot training, 5 days. Then for 10 days, the agriculture drone training. Next 10 days, how to do a sustainable business with this drone when you are doing a drone as a service. And third and last, that's servicing and transportation of this drone. So we are different from other drone companies because they are only doing the drone pilot training. We are doing drone pilot, then agriculture drone, then business model, then servicing and logistics. So we are trying a complete ecosystem partner, we can say, for drone agriculture drones.
So, what is the cost of the course that you offer, and also what is the kind of success rate for that course, and what is the employment generation from that?
We charge the minimum fees of 11,000 rupees from drone pilot training. That is 35,000 or 45,000 in the market. We are providing training almost one third price of the market. Second, the success rate is 100% because till today we have trained approximate AVPL group have trained more than approximate 300 drone pilots. All drone pilots has been absorbed into we can say campus placement or we can say in-house placement. Our drone we there's this line there is a fact by the DGCA that today we have below 15,000 drone operators. But in next 2-3 years, if we want to depute one drone operator in one village, then also we need minimum 7 lakhs drone operators. So difference is huge, 15 lakhs and 7 lakhs. And we are assured that if we are in working or in a collaboration with anyone anywhere, we are pretty sure that it will be helpful for the candidates who are coming for the drone pilot. It will give them livelihood, it will give them sustainable business, and will help government of India to grow together and सबका साथ सबका विकास.
So, this mention of Government of India reminds me of its initiative Drone Didi. So, are you also partnered with the government or any sort of government body, to work under any of its initiatives like that?
We are working in Skill India. We are working in Drone Didi. That's a self-help group trainings. We are working with different ministries. We are working with Uttar Pradesh Sarkar, Haryana Sarkar, Uttarakhand Sarkar, multiple central and state government ministries.
All right. And so, are you planning for any sort of, uh, uh, listing or anything? Is that anything like that in the pipeline?
We look forward in near future.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.